Hey guys, so it is Saturday. I was going to film another unboxing yesterday, but one of the packages didn't arrive until just now. So, please excuse my hands. They are like, I don't know, bloated and like, because I was shoveling outside and my hair got all wet. But yeah. Let's get started. The mailman saw me and he was like, you have another package. I'm like, yes. And then there was also 2 other packages that came, but yeah. So let's open these guys. First things first, this came really early. This is my VIXX album that's signed. I bought this, like I ordered this in a group order before I realized that I wasn't gonna collect VIXX anymore, so here's another thing I'm gonna sell. This is VIXX's Chronos album. It's a beautiful album, and I know that. And I got Leo's signature. It's so pretty. And she gave me some freebies. Oh, she hand stitched Leo's signature. That's cute. Is that how you say it? Yeah, Leo. On the photo card, I requested everything Leo, so I got Leo because he's my bias. Oh, this is cool. And I just, all the signatures for VIXX, I just never got a Leo signature, so I might just keep this one. I don't know, because I love everyone in VIXX. I just don't follow them as much anymore. And then there's another huge group order. Yeah, put this up here. So this group order, oh my god, I'm shivering because my hands are like hard and I'm so excited. This group order came from Alaska, which is crazy. The group leader lives in Alaska. It took like 2 weeks, or a week and a half to get here, but I was like the first one to order from her as well, and I think she was one of the top, yeah, she was one of the top ones. So she gives like these huge goodie bags, candy bags. I think there's like freebies in there too. Like, I ordered for me and my friends, so yeah, here's another one. Let's open this first. Okay, and there's another note. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this is Monsta X's album, Innocent and Guilty. I bought 4 because my friend and I wanted it before I knew I was gonna get the promo album. That's not coming at all. So yeah, yes. So let me just see who these are. Packaged them really well. Oops. Okay, so here's 2 Innocent versions. This is Kihyun and this is Wonu. Is it Wonu? I requested it all Wonu, but if I could, I would wanted yeah. So I got Wonu. This one's smudged. Oh well, whatever. And then this is Kihyun. Yeah. This is Minhyuk. Is my friend Minhyuk biased? Oh, her second bias is Minhyuk. Okay, yeah. I thought this is Kihyun. I know this is Wonu, right? Wonho? Wonho. I can't say his name. It's because there's so many starts with the W. Okay. I'm so impatient. I know I have so many boxes near me. This one is also Kihyun. I don't remember Minhyuk. I don't know. Oh, this is Kihyun. Okay, so those 2. And then this is Mono. Yeah. This is one haul. I want one host. Oh, I got Shonyu's. It's okay. Shonyu's my second. He was my first before this happened. But yeah. Okay. So yeah, these guys. So precious. Okay. Let me just... Yeah, I have nowhere to put this. I'm surrounded. Okay. Next thing. This I ordered from like a few days ago. I'm surprised it came. That's not... So I saw a seller online selling her Hobie cards, and I asked my friend if she wants it too, so we both bought Hobie's youth cards. I know I have it, but I just can't let these guys go. They were such a good deal too. I'm a deal person, like I love deals, so yeah. So I got two of these guys. One is for my friend. I always ask her if she wants it because I like find crazy deals and she would just, yeah. This one's from China. I was tracking this but I couldn't find it. Apparently it arrived today. That's crazy. Okay. There we go. So I bought some youth cards again. So I bought this one, the group one. Yeah, these guys are so thin, like paper thin. And then I also bought some butterfly dream cards. I bought the group card. These are so pretty. Sugars. Jimin's. He's so cute. Look at it. Oh my god, my hands are shaking. Look at it. Okay. Yeah, that's that. And then she did give me some stickers of... This is Jungkook. Who's this? I have no idea. But okay. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of it. Whoa, it came off. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, what is this? I didn't buy this, right? I don't know. Ooh, free stuff. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, so. Oh my god, I can't get it out. The struggle. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay. So I have 2 more boxes of these guys. So one is mine and one is my friend's. Let's just open one right now since this one's gonna be mine. The other one's gonna be my friend's. Oh no. Am I gonna get... Oh. I got Jin. Jin's fine, right? Jin's fine. Oh. Got Jin. At least it's a double, but at least it's not a quadruple. Why am I putting it back in? Yeah. That's gonna be out. And then the other one I'll open for my friend later on. It's hers, so I don't want to mess with hers. Also bought 3 Skool outfits. That's why it's so heavy, because I bought 3. I got this while it was having a deal, and then I bought these 2 with it. So yeah. Let's open them. Reason as to why I bought these guys is because I've been collecting their cards, but with this card I haven't really collected them. I have this album though. I just only have 1 card, and it was Jungkook's. So I want to collect more. So yeah, let me just open up these guys and then we can look who I have. Okay. I'll clean that up later. Not until I open all of these guys. Oh, this one has plastic on it. Can't even see. Okay, so first one first. I really love this concept. It's very nice. Okay, so first one I got gin, right? Gin. Gin. I needed gin. Good, good. Don't give me doubles, please. Today I have been gin cursed. Not really cursed, but gin lucky. Let's say that. Oh my god, gin. Don't tell me all three are gins. What am I gonna do with all gins? Never mind. They're all the same too. Like the group side. They're all the same. Whatever. Okay. I got some free mask from them. I think it's because I ordered it from them. Apparently for like a time where you bought these guys, you get like a free mask or something. I don't know why I got this though. It's the Cleo Oil Tint. And then this one. I know what's in here because I bought it. This is from Kpopmart. I realized the first place I ever bought my K-pop albums from is from Kpopmart, and from them I bought my first BTS album, or my very first album. This and this. So, oh, the tape came out, that's fine. Okay, so in here, hopefully is not damaged, is my BTS bomb, my very first light stick, here are the light sticks. Did the battery? Oh, the battery's on top. So here's the light stick. Oh, the other one's for my friends. I'm gonna keep it over there. But yeah. Here's the light stick. I think you can open it from the bottom, right? Yeah. Yeah. That's it. I don't think I can do much. Like, that's it. This is the light stick. Yep. Okay. That's all. And then here's the pack. I ordered it with it because they were selling it, and I was like, oh my god, I need it. And then I found some on the other website for cheaper, but whatever. I just bought it because I need it because it is essential. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of the player cards because I want to collect them. For the epilogue cards, I only bought 4 packs and 2 were double, so I was hoping I could collect all sets finally for this guy. So all of these should come with, yeah. I'm gonna open these guys when my other sets come in. I did order 5 more sets from different orders, so I might just wait until those guys come in and then open these guys up. I can't open them. Should I? Maybe just a sneak peek? Let me just sneak peek of... Yeah, let's just open one. I want to see them. And the cute little things. So, here it is. Ooh, it's matte. What? I like this. Player card set. 28561. Third mustard. It's so pretty. Okay, so on the back. Oh my god, am I gonna ruin this envelope? Okay. No, it was already ruined. Whatever. Okay. First set, I have Namjoon number 4. Sugar number 3. That's so cute. Jin number 5. Why is Sugar in the front? That's so weird. J-Hope number 3. Oh, so cute. Jimin number 5. Fighting style. And he's like, thumbs up. And then V number 4. Jungkook number 4. What? He's like, you're losing. You're going down. And he's like, yeah. That's so cute. Okay, so yeah, that's the set. Last but not least, my favorite box came earlier than everything else, but I had to leave it alone because I just couldn't. So it says, thank you. Hope the albums arrive to you safely. Oh my god. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Oh my god. Okay, I need to stand up. Whoa. What is this? There's only 3 albums in here, and this is a trash can. Okay, so oh my god. So there's only 3 albums in here. She wrapped it in this gigantic bubble trap. Like, oh my god. That's awesome. If everyone could rap like her, everyone's gonna be a champion. Okay. Okay, first thing, 2, 3. Got 3 here. So let's open this one first, because this is the album. The first album in order. So guess what, guys? Oh my god, this is so bad. I have bought Oh Are You Late To promo. Is this promo? Oh no, this is not the promo album. This Oh Are You Late To all members signed. There are damages, but it's fine. It's such a rare find. There is a poster. I don't think there's a photo card in here. Ooh, oh my god. Oh no, the photo book's broken. It's okay. I think the glue just came off, but that's fine. Yeah, the glue came off, but that's fine. I was gonna buy this, legit, just because of this. This is their first, what is this? The first press, yeah, sorry. First press, stamp card thing for the cafe. So apparently inside they have these guys, and you only get them in first press albums for the Oh Are You Late To, where you write your name and everything, and then if you go to all their fan stuff, you like the show or show up and you get stamps, you can get like signed something on the back, I think. And then this is the cartoon. Only the first press has it. J-Hope. This is their first impression of each member when they first arrived at dorms. So yeah, yay! I was looking for this if someone was selling it, but now I have it. That's good. So yeah, signed. I am on my way to completing every album signed. On my way though. Not there yet, but on my way. Not gonna be there for a while since I just spent so much money on stuff. Let's just say I spent a lot of money on BTS. Everything BTS. Oh my god. So this is how much bubble wrap for this one album. So I have already 2 signed. This is the promo album, yeah. It's all members signed. There are damages in the corner, but that's fine. It says not for sale on the back. So yeah, all members signed. Just carefully open it. Funny thing how the ORE Late 2 arrived to me and then this arrived too. I don't think there's anything included in this. Nope. Yeah. It's just a regular album with nothing included, but it's all signed, so who would complain? Now I have 4. Technically 5 ORE Late 2s. But yes. Oh, and ooh! This is actually one of my favorite pictures that Jungkook took of Jimin. It's so pretty. It's like matte. Oh, so pretty. I like that. And then she gave me some stickers. We have sugar sticker and some goop stickers. A whole pack. It's crazy. And last thing from her is you might have seen that already. Okay. So the last thing I got from her is it because of the album? I have part 2 signed. Yeah. I have part 2 signed. Promo? Yes, promo album. It says not for sale. There are dents in the corner here, but everything it's fine. Oh my god, so pretty. So yeah, that's it.